The breaking news: President Donald Trump rolls out 10% tariff on all U.S. imports with extra reciprocal levies differing by country. Trump said China will face a reciprocal tariff of 34% and the European Union will be hit with a levy of 20%. India to be charged discounted reciprocal tariff of 26%. The tariffs come into effect immediately upon announcement. Long story short, caution shall be the buzzword as Nifty is likely to receive fresh drubbing. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1539 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 2809 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum and overbought technical conditions. Fano April month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index spiked higher towards 13.72 levels. At last check, USD INR 28 April expiry is hovering near 85.72. Nifty PCR 30th April is at 0.77 levels. Bank Nifty PCR 24th April is at 0.99. Nifty outlook: volatility is likely to be the hallmark as Nifty is likely to receive fresh drubbing. Nifty CMP 23332. Biggest make or break support on Nifty is now placed only at 22,701 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,621 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,000 and 23,500. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty CMP 51348. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 50,407 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,065 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,000 and 51800. Bias for the day is negative. The positive takeaway from yesterday's trading session was that Nifty snapped its 2 consecutive days of losses to end comfortably higher. Nifty mid-caps plus 1.6% and small caps plus 1.1% indices too saw smart gains. Amongst stock-specific action: 1. Adani Ports plus 1.78%. Stock price fared well after it handled 450 million metric tons (MMT) of cargo in FY 2024-25, marking a 7% year-on-year growth. 2. Bharat Dynamics plus 6% was star outperformer on reports that it achieved a turnover of over 3,300 crore rupees, provisional and unaudited, in FY 25 as against 2,369 crore rupees in the year-ago period, registering a record growth of around 40%. 3. Godrej Properties stock price surged 5% after firm sells Rs 2,000 crore homes at launch of luxury project in Noida. 4. Meanwhile, Bharat Electronic (BIL) stock price fell 3.29% due to a miss on its revenue guidance for FY 25. The stock recovered a bit at close, cutting its losses to 3.34%. Technically, it's still a trading market with Nifty major hurdles at its 200 DMA at 24,081 mark.